gonna be cooking today, and I thought, you know, I need a green pepper, which I have, just lovely, love my hair. And you're gonna need brown sugar, which is sugar that's brown. First, I had to remember where I had put it, because if you don't remember where you put it, you're not gonna be able to make this meal. I got meat. And we have to have a good onion. We gotta pick out the best onion, because if you don't have a good onion, you don't have a good meal. That's been passed down for generations, from me to you. All right, let's get a cutting board. I'll be using all of it. Okay, it's a messy bun. I mean, whatever, y'all. Sharp knife. We'll go ahead and sharpen it. It's got numbers 1, 2, 3, so we'll start at 1. Shake off all the dust and wipe it on your apron. We're gonna take this and we're gonna cut it. You just tear its guts out. And then, if you can't tear it all out, then you just take your knife and you scrape its insides. So, you know, like you want to do to that man that told you you'd be prettier if you smiled. You just cut its insides right out. You're gonna have little strips like so. Gather them little strips up like that. You're gonna gather them little suckers, and then you're gonna cut it again like this into thin slices. You're dicing the pepper. It's gonna drop these suckers right in there, and you can tell that ain't hardly nothing. And make sure you get the hair out. Can you see this hair? Gotta make sure it's not in there, because if somebody takes a bite and that hair is in there, they're not gonna want to eat it. So you just be careful with that, okay? All right, y'all, this is the part where we cut our onion. First, we're gonna choose our onion, and we have to make sure that the onion that we're choosing is the best, because we want the best onion in the world. Just because it makes it taste better, probably. I think this onion looks pretty good. Just cut the top off that sucker like so, and you fling that away. And then you're gonna cut that part off. You're just gonna fling it out of your way, and then you're gonna cut it in half. And it makes it easier just to pull this crap right off of here. You're just gonna pull it off and get it out of your way. That's how professionals do the onions. And I say that because I know, because I'm a professional. I identify as a chef today. Like that. And then you're gonna dice your onions very finely. And I don't mean finely as in it's the end. I mean finely as in very fine, like thin onion slices. Oh, and you don't want to bring your hands closer to your face. Them onions, guys. Oh, onions. Whew. All right, this is what you do. You don't cut your fingers like I almost just did. Bluebell! Chopping the onions, chopping the onions. You gotta chop them, and they're onions, and they're good. I got the bowl of peppers and onions. And then I'm gonna put some crackers in there because I ain't got breadcrumbs. All right. I'm gonna set this bowl right here. And then I'm gonna just crumble some crackers into it. I'm just gonna crumble them. You just gonna smash them into bits. Just like you wanted to do to that lady who was practically breathing in your face at the Walmart. You know the one. She ain't got a mask on, or she's all walking around willy-nilly like this is just the regular world we live in. Just like that. She will never breathe on you again, because she won't be able to. Thug life, you know. And then you're gonna just, I don't know, put in that much. Yeah, yeah, probably more. That much more. I'm just gonna grab a chunk, put it in there. We're gonna go with a pound. What I'm estimating is gonna be a pound. All right, so we're gonna say that is about a pound of ground beef. We need another half a pound, so we're gonna say this is a half a pound. So we're gonna go with 1.5 pounds of ground beef. I'm gonna put some ketchup and Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna say about this much. We're gonna put about that much. I'm gonna take my meat masher and we're gonna use this to mash the meat. I don't know, I just picked it up in the Dollar Tree because I was like, you know what? That is a cute blue kitchen type utensil. I think I need that in my life. This is meatloaf, y'all, by the way. And you know what? I forgot to put the eggs in it. Hold on. Isn't it funny how little baby unborn chickens can hold meat together? You ever thought about that? I guess it's got some strong genes. If that lady from A Simple Southern Life would quit texting me in the middle of videos, it would help. And then you're gonna pick that sucker up in a big ball. And then you're making an elongated meatball. I hope that y'all enjoyed cooking with me. This is Meatloaf, and I'm very hungry. So I'm making it, and that's what I'm going to eat. There it is in the oven cooking. It's there. That's that. You just put it in there, and you just wait. You just wait.